Hey, what's up, guys? It is currently, what is it, 1:56 a.m. Can you see that? I don't know. Maybe, whatever. Um, I got an update. Fish. My kitty cat. Chewy. Um, yeah. Um, the orders that I was about to receive, she called me and said that they weren't shipped. So she said I was gonna get them like at, I think, the 5th or the 6th of July. So I was like, forget it. So I canceled it, and I went to a local store. Um, this is what I got. I got half a brick of firecrackers. I got let me see, hold on. I got super Magnum with tail artillery shells. These are really good. I love the tails. Now I have 4 boxes instead of 6. And then I got 2 packs of these Roman candles, flashing thunder. Let me tell you something, man. These are loud. They're really loud. So it's pretty much. I have more. It's how my grandpa. I went with him to the store, and he kept most of it. I will tell you how much I spent this time. We spent like 400. No. Yeah, like 400. That's it. It wasn't wholesale. It was just retail. So I got some crackers, flashing thunders. These I'm probably gonna go back tomorrow and get maybe like 30 more packs of those. It was 10 packs for $9.95, I think, or something like that. They're mega banger. I don't see if you can see that. This is an iPhone, so it won't focus. What does it read? Performance, flashing thunder, 10 balls with extremely loud reports. And these are really loud. Really loud. These crackers are, I don't know, but they're kicking, you know. Always ass kicking loud. So, and then these Magnums. Tell you something, man. Like I said, these are good, man. The tails are nice, but I got more lighters. And that's it. So yeah, I the worst call I ever received. Not getting my order. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah. Nothing else to say. If you see those, but no, yeah, for real though. If you see those flashing thunders, get as much as you can. Those are awesome, man. So, alright. See you later.